going on today? Today is a good day for me. Well, not meaning like I'm gonna get something. No, meaning it's a good day for me. I feel good. And there it is. Good day today. Really good day today. I'm telling you, I'm feeling good today. Something is gonna happen really good. I'm just hitting this because it is fun. Anyways, but yeah. Okay, that hurt. So, Leia, I got a question for you. That's the one that subscribed. See, people, I'm gonna keep bringing up your names. You're gonna be famous, and you're gonna be famous. Anyways, but you're gonna be famous. So I don't know what to do with those dogs. See them? So I'm gonna go up to the rock. It's not that big. Trust me. I'll take that. Sorry. Excuse me. It is that big. Oh, guys, I need to show you before I go up there. Okay. So this is the outhouse, and I was like, what the hell? But these are the parts that we shot at the outhouse. So I was trying to shoot this, of course, but like I missed it so many times. And I think we did this. We hit it so much. We hit that part so much that we hit it in right here, right there, all over this place. But anyways, time to go up there. So let's go back down how we were. Come back down. Come back down. It's a wood pile. Okay. Some stuff on me. Anyways, but let's go up there. So you're probably thinking like, that's not that big. Whoa, okay, it is that big. And this is the cool part. You guys like this? Look at. By the camera, it looks like a canyon, like walking. But it's big. So, whoa! Sometimes it gets stuck in my hair. It gets stuck in my hair. That's on top. And yeah, it's echo. And we're almost there. We could climb up from there. I could. Like step on this rock and that rock and that rock, that one, and I go up and then that there. But I have the camera with me, and I can't do that. I should have got the helmet, but it's way down there. But this is really easy. You could go up. So you got the dog behind me. I don't know if you can see it, but the dog's following me. And okay, so I'm gonna try with one hand, yo. Oh, please. Hold it there. It's going up. Okay. We are up here. I think the dogs can't get up here. So usually there's cows way over there. These are the troughs. These are mine. But those are the troughs. Right there. Those are the troughs, and that's where they're always right there. But I guess not. Because you know that last time, so stupid idea for me. So I was only by myself. And I went to the cows. I didn't go to the cows, but like I was gonna climb that small rock right there, but I'm not this big one, but right there, that one right there, I was gonna climb it, and then when I when I was on top of it, I looked to my side, and then there was this cow, and it's like, okay, it's just one. But then I looked more, and then there's even more, and I got scared, so I jumped off, and I ran back home. And then like I think I kind of got scared, like thinking they were chasing me, but like I heard like steps, like really scary steps. So this is how it looks from on top. So he's trying. You can see him. Go. So okay. Anyways, but that's how it looks. Beautiful. The house, dog houses. Go! Oh my God. Anyways, yeah. So there's like a lot of. It's kind of slippery too. I was probably thinking, it's supposed to snow. No, it didn't actually snow. I don't know when it's supposed to snow. Usually it snows in October. Yeah, whoa. There's a house right there. Can you see it? The roof. I don't know who lived there before, but yeah, so that's how it is on the bottom. It's really good angle. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go on the top first. Should I totally blow my helmet? Whoa, this is even high enough. The trail goes in this, goes in there, and it comes back up. So that's the house right there, talking about, and those guys right there. Some of the bulls used to be right there. I don't know where they are now. So, what time is it? It is. It is 3:08. So my school still has 20 minutes in class, so they're not out just yet. But I think the high school is. So yeah. So let's go on the bottom. Okay, this is just like you could say a tour. See that part? You see it, guys? So my camera just flipped. Oh my God, so stupid of me. Anyways, but sorry guys, flipped. I don't know how long it was like that. So I think I need to go back down sooner or later. And why is because the dogs followed me, which I hate about them. They follow me. It was like it up here. So this is the top. I was right there. I'm right here now. Okay. So this is even. Just look under, and the dog's right there. See, I don't like them going to the edge. It's the thing, so they should stay out there. Okay, see, so that's a tree house right there, guys. So I think I'm gonna go back down because the dogs are getting scared and they following me. I don't know why, but shoot! So I'm gonna throw some rocks at them. Can you get down? So he can't get down, which I'm scared to. Like, I'm not scared of getting down. It's just them. I'm scared to get down. See? I'm gonna do that. I bet they're gonna start coming. Okay, guys. So I still have the camera. I'm holding it. It's nothing that I should have brought, but then I was just like, I'm just gonna be up there for a while. I'm not gonna go towards it. I'm like right by the edge now. Down there is right there. That's the edge I went on, and I almost slipped and fell to my death. But anyways, so up. These are scary. Like this, like about to fall. This one's cool. So there's a hole right there where I was. see through. The dogs are right there, and I don't know where the other puppy went. But this is how it looks. And I would go down there, but like, told you I had the camera. Oh, the dog's right there. Okay, guys, I think that is it. Wait, I'm gonna take it one more time. One more time. This is the part you never saw before. Okay. Okay. It's the hard part. Okay. See, I'm holding the camera now, so I'll put you right here. You don't scratch. You guys can see me? Okay, what? Since it's like I'm right by the edge, no kidding. If I slip, I'll probably die or get hurt. But anyways, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, guys. Okay, I was just down there. So this is the thing. I get up, but so stupid. Whoa. Okay. Look at that. Okay, anyways, guys. So, oh, this is how far probably it goes. Give you a quick. Blue sky. So that's where my auntie lives in Mayaj, and yeah. So people probably could see me now. I'm probably waved at them. So let's see if they honk the horn. Okay, so I'm trying to sing. So the people with the cars, I don't trust them. Like lowriders, it's the thing. But no. See, it's the thing. Does anyone say hi these days? Come on, people. People. Oh my God. Okay. There's more people coming, so that means I could get at least one. Try to at least get one. Does anybody say hi anymore? Hello? Can you hear me? I'm trying to say something. Anyway, so that is the vlog. So peace out. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait. I forgot to get one more thing. So when I was little, I used to climb that. My mom used to let me. It's only a little ways. I could have died, but she let me. But I didn't. So I'm not going up there again. Because the last time I went up there, I tripped. And I slipped. I fell on a rock, and my knee has a bruise still. And I was like a long time ago. Still has a bruise. So I'm not going up there again without safety precautions. And the time I was just wearing some shortcuts, tank top, and a hat. That's it. No rope, nothing, bro. Yeah, and I was scared. Woo! So selfie pic. Hi, selfie pic. Whoa. See, I'm scared to lean back or forward, because like either way, it's gonna get hurt. Selfie pic. Selfie pic. Okay. Anyways, okay. So that is all for today. Whoa. Okay, I literally almost fell right there. No joke. Literally almost fell. That hurt. Okay. Bye.